Hey friends, it's Anita. Welcome back to Anita Makes Crochet Items. So I got some Happy Meal and I'm excited for this Happy Meal because it's part of the Yarny Social 2025, which I will be at. So if you can come, make sure you sign up October, last week of October. If you want to see me, come on by. But let me preface something. I was all gung-ho. I had a project in mind for this. And sometimes what you have envisioned here doesn't actually work up with the yarn. But, not to discredit anything, but the pattern that I started as soon as I got it was this. Which is the beanie that I've been working on. The one I finished today and the other one that I started initially, which was this. And I think it works more with a solid color. But this yarn and the colors are super pretty. It's just too busy for me. So what's going to happen? I'm going to frog it and I'm going to just make a headband so that the colors can shine brighter. And then I honestly think I'll have enough to make a headband and a cowl. This was the Have Us Some Yarn, and it is in the 4-weight. There's 219 yards, but this yarn and color work is extremely soft and pretty for it to be, what is it, superwash merino wool. I mean, it's wool, but it's soft, super soft. Guess it took me a hot second to work this out, but I got to the crown, and I did end up going with my extended single Burst of Kindness beanie top or crown, which it works up really nice. It looks knitted if you look at it. It's too busy for this yarn. So I think I'm gonna just go to a moss stitch headband. We'll see. But in the meantime, I'm just gonna frog it. Look at this. It's working out itself. Doesn't hurt to start over. It's just meant to be something bigger and better. And this yarn, I can't wait to finish it. But once I frog it, I'm gonna work on it tomorrow. I'm gonna give my full attention to it tomorrow. So if you want to join me at the Yarny Social, I'll put the link in the description, and I also drop Carrie's as well of where you can get your own colorway. Honestly, guys, don't sleep on it. Thank you again for watching. Love yourself so you can love everyone else. Have a beautiful night. Enjoy your weekend. Bye. Ta-da! I'll show you updated pictures of what I started. But here it is. Look how pretty that is. I love it.